What is up, guys? Phoenix Echo here, aka the Gold Pidgeotto, and as you can see, I'm currently at my job right now. Some of you guys have asked, like, what do I do as a kitchen manager at a gas station? And it's pretty simple. I'm going to walk you through some of the stuff, a little bit of the prep that I do. So, let's get started. Alright, so right now we're currently going into the walk-in. It's a little cold in here. Got some pizza dough. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Kick the door. This is Sparta. Alright, guys. Alright, so yeah, see, we got pizza dough. Open this bad boy up. Oh, I got another one in here. Surprise. We got our make line. Cheese, pepperoni, sauce, sausage, blah blah blah, all that good shenanigans. Alright, so now what we're gonna do from here, wash your hands. I've already done that. We're gonna put on a pair of gloves. Go ahead and move these over out of my way a little bit. Take our pizza dough. Grab a good scoop of sauce. And I'll show you guys this from a different angle here in a second. Gotta get another, like, about half a scoop, so a scoop and a half of marinara. This one we're going to make pepperoni. Grab some cheese. I'll show you what this looks like once it's done. Then from there, we're going to grab pepperonis. So I put about 40 pepperoni on the whole thing, maybe a little more, like 21 pepperoni on the very outside ring, 15 in the inner ring, and then 6 right in the middle. Bring you back up to the top and show you what I've done. Alright, so now we're back up top, and as you can see, we've got our pepperoni pizza. 21 pepperoni on the outer, 15 in the middle, 6 in the center. Now what I failed to show you guys a second ago is that I did it the wrong way before. We are supposed to weigh out our cheese to at least 9 ounces, a little bit over, but let's see, we're going to make a different pizza now. So I'm going to go ahead and cover up the pepperoni. We're going to work on our Italian. Alright, so it's about as much Italian sausage as you really want. And with this one now, we're just going to take a little bit of the cheese. Not a whole lot of the mozzarella, because we're actually going to add a few more things to it. So I'm going to go ahead, take it down. Nope, not that one. There it is. throw some cheddar on it. Kind of a difficult process with one hand right now. Put some cheddar on it. And down under. We have some very finely grated Parm Romano. Try to get around the edge of it best that I possibly can. That's that. And then we're going to throw on some diced red peppers. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the Italian limited time offer at Godfather's Pizza, where I'm at right now. Italian pizza, pepperoni pizza. I'm gonna prep up some more things, and I will show you what everything looks like once that's all said and done. Alright, ladies and gents, so there we have it. I've prepped up a few things, as you guys have already seen. That's the pepperoni pizza. We'll move over to the Italian pizza. Then we made up a beef and bacon, just marinara sauce, beef, bacon, and cheese. Then we have our cheese stick, which is a garlic butter sauce with a little bit of oregano mixed in, and then just mozzarella cheese on the dough. And then we have a pepperoni and cheese calzone. I'm gonna back up so you guys can kind of see everything a little bit better. That's that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this calzone, stick it right up here on the oven, push this button right here, 4 minutes 45 seconds, and it will be out of the oven. And as that goes down, place the cheese stick right behind it, push the button, and it'll be 9 minutes and 21 seconds for both to cook, and it'll come out this end, and then we take it over to the cut table and then take it out for the customers. I will show you guys that part here in just a little bit. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're oven glove, move over here to the pizza oven, we're pulling out our pepperoni pizza spatula, try to unstick it from the pan. Burned a little bit on the bottom, not too terribly bad. Huh? Put it on here. Let's go serve it. Alright guys, so
I'm missing one thing.
what's that?
Pepper.
Eh.
The
Man, they have to prep, or they have to proof up more. Yep. So as you can see, there's all of our pizza. I don't have pep rolls completely done, they still have to proof. But from the other angle, alright, so there you go guys, that's a day in the life of a kitchen manager at a gas station. I love you guys very much. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Love you guys very much, and as always, take it easy.